Okay. We just got a van.
First drive in the van. It's a little loud. Still has all this crap back here. So that's a little annoying, but we'll work with it. Runs and drives great though. This is going to be my entire ride home. Should have brought earplugs. This is our 2004 Ford E250 extended high-top wheelchair van. Now, as you might notice, I am no longer handicapped, but that's okay because that's what gets us the high top and a lot of room. So yeah, check this out. Here we have our handy-dandy wheelchair lift. I haven't been able to get it to work. It's got power, but yeah, but that's not important right now. We're not going to use it. This is coming out because we kind of want to be able to get in here. And look how big this doorway is. I mean, this is awesome. This is cool.
So much bigger than the last van.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's a little taller and definitely longer. It's also a whole lot more empty. Get a look at this interior.
We'll get a better look here in a second, but
yes, we will.
This is literally just how we've gotten the van
Oh
in
yeah,
hand.
yeah. We drove it home. We have not started any changes on it yet. What you're seeing right now, unplanned cargo and all, is as delivered condition. So for better or for worse, here's what we're starting with.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Let's get in and have a look at a little bit more detail.
Let's do it.
Yay!
I'm so far away from you.
Oh my gosh.
I know, look at all this space. It came with a jack stand. I don't know that I would trust a jack stand this small for a van this big. Comes with, you know, obviously the high top. It's got these lights that don't work. It has these air vents that do, which is kind of nice. It's basically a home care bed with all the tilting functions, all that good stuff. I got no use for it, so we'll have to make that go away. On here we got the handrails for that, so yeah, all that good stuff there. As you can see, I still can't quite stand up in this thing. You almost can, but I can't. But I can at least walk normally when there isn't, you know, crap all over the inside. These little jump seats here are supposed to fold down and you can sit people in them. There used to be another one here. The base, they just cut it off at the base because the bolts were too difficult to get out. They're probably rusted in real good. And then this one, they just ripped out and left some nice gaping holes in the wheel well that we're just going to have to patch.
Tasty.
Yeah, for sure.
And
one fun part about this van, it's already got built-in storage up here, which is awesome. We're going to put that to great use. And look, it came with a whole bunch of stuff. Let's see what's in here. We got trash bags. I know we'll be putting those to use. Got these fun little warning triangles come in. Back here. Oh look, more. This is a mini triangle. This is what I could use on the motorcycle. Emergency vest.
Interesting.
Even more bags. A handle to something. I don't know. More trash bags. Hey.
Oh my god.
We got all kinds of tape. Clear tape. I don't know what you'd use that for in a wheelchair van, but there we are. Empty container of disinfecting wipes. Rope.
Tow rope.
Oh, a tow rope. Hey. Let's see what we're keeping around in case of mishaps. Paper towels. How many triangles does one van need anyway?
Wow.
Ooh, umbrella. This looks like something that would maybe clamp onto a wheelchair even.
Oh yeah, that's
nifty.
interesting. Oh, I see.
Yeah, yeah. See, this part here secures into the floor down here. And then this, you hook onto the wheelchair, and your wheelchair doesn't roll away while you're driving.
Oh.
A few of these up here. I'm not going to bother taking them out because they're heavy.
Gloves.
Gloves. We're definitely going to keep these out. Gonna need them. And a wheel chock.
Oh, hey.
Required equipment from the state. All in all, nothing very interesting. Just a bunch of stuff you'd expect to find in a a bunch of stuff I'd expect to find in the wheelchair van. Most of you probably don't know or care anything about this, so I may end up cutting this whole portion out. Who knows?
And then we come around to this side.
We've shown you the good, we've shown you the bad, now we're going to show you the ugly.
Yep, this here is, okay, maybe we just buy a quarter panel at some point and replace it in whole. For now, we're just gonna bang it out, patch it up, call it a day.
When I saw this van online the first time, and I saw this made me decide, nope, we're not gonna get this van. But then we saw what good shape the rest of it was in, and it's like, we can work with that.
And then apart from that, it does have a couple pop-out windows. This window right behind the driver's side pops open, and then the windows on the 60/40 doors on the other side also pop open. So there is some ventilation already in there too.
And I want to put a roof vent on anyway.
For cooking.
There's plenty there.
Yep. And that about does it.
You can fit so many van lifes in this bad boy.